Yes. Last class we have discussed handler mapping, like components inside the components. Handler mapping is topic is going on, guys. Last class is available in the YouTube channel. Go on. I take a study point in the channel. So now go batches. Our working space Spring MVC, and in the class notes, class notes, not a three fourth class session code is the truth. We name that. First of all, one time recap fast mode. Recap this. So we completed view part, web.xml files, and dispatcher solid we completed. Now we are in the handler mapping section. So now one time we recap this. Dispatcher servlet is the main component of the Spring Web MVC. It's take request, client send to the request, dispatcher servlet find to the handler mapper, handler mapping class, handler mapping configuration, then handler mapping send to the request for the controllers. Dispatcher servlet send to the request to the handler mapping for what controller classes. Then handler mapping responsibility is find the controller classes in your project. How many controller classes are there? Then process the controller classes. Then it will return what is that? It will return name of the class and location of the controllers. Okay, name and controllers. Then after that initialization, it search the dispatcher select, it will search controller classes. Then it's performing to operation instantiation and initialization controller classes. After the instantiation and initialization, controller class will execute business logic. After the executing business logic, it will return model and view object. And then model and view object, it will return to the dispatcher servlet. Then dispatcher servlet find where is the view resolver request to. Then dispatcher servlet send to the request for in view to the view resolver for what name of the view and location of the view part. Then it will return view resolver again, return back to that dispatcher servlet return back to the location and name of the view part. Then next is it will search where the view part is existed, then send to the model part. And then this will is view part till generate to the response and send back to the view part to the dispatcher select. Then dispatcher select it the responsible to generate response for the client. So this is our total process of dispatcher servlet, guys. So these are the point. One time you can read it. Same point what I have discussed here. Same point I wrote it here. Okay. So now our today's is last class we have also discussed handler mapping. What is the main intention of handler mapping? HM means handler mapping. Handler mapping to mean incoming request to handler class that can handle request. Okay, where the request coming to the dispatcher select forward to the request here. Dispatcher select forward to the request where handler mapping class, handler mapping configuration. Where handler mapping configuration right now is available in the XML file. Okay. Yes, Spring XML file. Yes, Spring XML file. So now request to handler mapping, and then recognize the respective handler class and its associated interceptors. Then also interceptors is nothing but services, inter IATN service, like authentication service. These many services are there. And then this method is written, this chaining is written in what is that handler execution chain with the handler classes and interceptors written to handle execution chain to the dispatcher servlet. So now dispatcher servlet handler mapping is mainly four types. What is the four type? First is the vname URL pattern. We use this vname URL patterns. This vname URL pattern we use. If you have one controller, then use this. This is the. If you have multiple controller, more than one controller, then use simple URL mapping. I will show you. I will give a theory also on this today's session, and vname URL pattern also. So this is the last class, guys. So this file called Spring configuration file. So now come into the today's session. Today's session is going to is very interesting, guys. Okay, more information I will share with you guys. Don't worry. So now today's session is first I want to write both the handler mapping classes. What is that? Classes. The first class is guys focus. Okay. Now first class is vname URL handler mapping. What is that? vname URL handler mapping. This is our first class, guys. And the second one is first class is this. And second one is simple URL handler mapping. One by one, I will give a theory. Then next, after the theory, I will prepare one example also. All these. Next is the controller class name handler mapping. Controller class name handler mapping. Handler mapping. Now fourth is common common path map, not map, handler mapping. These four are there. These four classes are there. Okay. These four classes to identify the only these four classes is work is to identify the controller classes. Mainly handler mapping work is to identify the controller classes where is available and return to back to the dispatcher servlet like execution chain. Okay, guys. Execution handler execution chain, guys. That's written handler execution chain. Chain in the sense which controller first execute, second execute, this kind of thing. Okay. And then last class I have given one note, guys, to you. What is the note? Note is that if you use handler mapping, if you use handler mapping, if you if you use if you use handler mapping classes, then you should configure the string configure the string configuration file. Configure the handler mapping classes in these classes and configure the handler mapping classes. Mapping classes into your string configuration file into or in the your configuration file, string configuration file, string configuration file. That's it. This is the node point. Right. No. So come into the first part in the Spring name URL, Spring name URL handle mapping. What is this meaning? Let's understand, guys. Okay. Write down, guys, with me. It is a default. It is default. It is a default. It is a default handler mapping in where? In Spring application. Spring application. What is the meaning? It is a default handler mapping. Bean name URL handler mapping is the default handler mapping. It will be used to. It will used by Spring framework. Spring framework. Spring framework when number of one minute, guys. When number of handler mapping configuration is there. Number of okay, guys. So what is that? Number of handler mapping is configured in Spring configuration file. Handler mapping is configured configured point is the configured configuration file. Okay. Now next point is right on this handler mapping. This handler mapping map URL to beans. URLs to beans with what is that? With names that start with slash. That start with which symbol slash? Start with slash. That's it. Slash. Start with slash. Similar to not the similar. Okay. And this is the package is Spring Framework provide that Spring Framework has provided this handler mapping like which format org dot spring framework dot web dot handler dot vname URL handler mapping. Not this. This is the shortcut I'm writing. Vname URL handler mapping. Okay. Spring framework. Spring what happened? Vname we name URL pattern. I don't know what's up with this. Just remove it. Spring Framework, Spring Framework, org.web.servlet.handler handler.bean handler mapping bean name reminding the same bean name URL handler mapping. Okay. So now this is the. So here you can see, guys. Here you can see. Here we provide configuration about the handler mapping. Okay, URL handler mapping. Here, as it is in Spring, based on XML application, you can configure like that. You can all the handler mapping classes configure like that. Okay, then it will recognize this name and return to back to that dispatcher solid touch it. Here is what only this. So now I'm writing this point, otherwise I'm copying and paste something. Okay. Just copy this. Not required. Inside the bean tag, where otherwise copy 1 minute. Yes, I want to paste the whole. Huh? So you will get clarity. While you reading this content, while you will read this content, you will get clarity. That's why I'm putting this whole. This one is not required beans. This is the XSD, not required. Yes, this one is the required. This is our total. So not required to prepare the example. We name URL path. We name handle mapping. Why? Because we have already seen this example. We can prepare this example like this. Okay. Now we have only one controller. You can define multi-controller, not an issue. So now come into the next. This is the, I will show you this example by using this. How to prepare example using simple URL pattern. I will show you. First, I will write some theory for you guys for understanding purpose. So now, concentrate, guys. What is the simple URL pattern? What is the simple URL pattern? Suppose if you want map more than one URL to single controller class, and this is not a good way to work with Spring dependency injection. This is not good for the work with the Spring dependency injection. So now I'm writing some point with this. So if we want to map more than one URL to a single controller class, and this is not a good way. This is not a good way to work with Spring dependency injection. This is not good work way to inject multiple controller. This is not good way to inject multiple controller. Okay, by using vname URL handle mapping. Now, when we use vname URL handler mapping, vname URL handler mapping. Okay. If you have using multiple controller, like suppose you use one more controller, like right now I am using this controller, one more controller like hello controller, welcome controller, another controller. So this way is not recommended. So use simple URL handler mapping. This point trying to say this. So write down. So what is the solution? What is the solution, right? Solution. So what is the solution? So solution is the simple URL handler mapping. Simple mapping. The simple way to define URL mapping. Mapping using a map or property bean. Map or property bean. We can use to define by using two ways. First way the property bean, second one the map. Okay, in the simple way, I will give an example also, don't worry. Write at some point. So next point is so simple URL handle mapping define a navigation strategy. What is the strategy? It's using navigation strategy. So write down. Simple URL handler mapping defines the navigation strategy that maps the servlet path or URI path of the URL to the map. If you don't know what is the URI and URL, just watch my video in the advanced Java, guys. Okay, here I will not discuss. Map configured with given property. Or map. Two ways. Okay, we have two ways. One is the map, second one is the property. Now, point is, okay, next point is, first we write down. First is provide a map. Provide a map instance. This is the way you can do it. I will give you the also example. So, okay, guys. First, you can provide the map instance, and then you can provide the properties, URL mapping, guys. This is the way to use both map and property. But right now, I am just using a simple property ways. But for the awareness purpose, I will giving this example to you. So now instance to simple URL mapping, handler mapping by setting the property URL map in which the key of the entry will be URL and values will be the controller. The values will be the controller classes. We can also provide values ref to indicate controller controller bean classes. This is point I want to share with you guys. So now write down the next point is in this case we need to inject properties. We need to inject properties or map object that describe the that describe describes the mapping between the required mapping the request URL path and controllers. Controllers. That's it. So now I want to give a one point to guys. Yes. Write down. Simple URL pattern handling supporting two type of option configuration mapping. What is that? Simple URL and handler mapping supports two options. Two options to configure the mapping. Same thing. First is the map, second is the properties. Okay, these two ways are there. Now this point is also I want to write upside down. One minute. I want to write one point related to this. So this point required upside. Now it's good. Okay. One point is there. Second, the first is provide mapping instance. Then second is to set the instance of java.util.properties. This is the way, na? First way is this, second way is this. Properties to the property mapping. Okay, my properties file in which the key value pair is there. Key will with the URL, key will be the URL and value will be, what is that? Value will be the ID of the controller. Both the way I will show you guys. First way, one by one, we will learn slowly. Spring MVC, I will do the postmodern. Don't worry. Slowly, we will learn all these points. So suppose example is that okay guys. So now so example I will write some configuration for you guys. Same example I will prepare. Example how to configure. Okay. So simple beans in the inside the beans tag inside the beans tag inside the beans tag provide the bean name. Suppose name is nothing but hello controller. This is the name controller and class is com dot itsp dot controller dot hello controller. One controller is the second controller. Bean name bean name equals to like welcome controller. Okay. And class equals to com dot itsp dot controller dot welcome controller. That's it. Now your controller configuration is insufficient. Now here you can configure the what is that? V name is handler mapping. We name handler. This is the property is there inside the every handler classes handler mapping. So now provide the class. Class is where the class is present. org dot spring framework dot web dot servlet dot simple URL handler. No handler is the package is there. Handler dot simple URL handler mapping. That's it. Now you can provide like that. Simple. Close this. Here you configured the properties using property tag. What is the property? Suppose name equals to property name is mapping. And inside the property tags, we have props. Props means any properties are there. Inside the props, we have prop key. Key is what is that? Key is file name. What is the file name? Slash welcome. Suppose the welcome dot HTML STM, anything you can provide. STM. Okay. The STM is nothing but a shortcut name of the HTML, guys. So simple. And provide the welcome control. Prop is close. And next property is we have what is that? Prop key equals to pass the hello world. Hello world, or otherwise hello is hello world is every time we are using STM. Hello dot STM. Okay. Hello controller. That's it. This is the property name, value name. Okay, this one, welcome controller. Property. Controller, no? Okay. Close the props tag. Then close props tag. Close the property tag. Close the property tag. That's it. The configuration is ready. Now provide the close the Veeam tag. That's it. View resolver is all required. View resolver is required, so configure the view resolver also. Okay, Veeam's close. Here provide the view resolver. Many configuration you can provide here, guys. Like that. Okay. So this is the configuration. How this way we can configure or we can use properties file. We will learn next sessions. In this session, we will learn just like that. So now this time is going to prepare an example, guys. Okay. So now by using, I will use two controller. Okay, and then configure. Okay. So example. Right now. Preparing example using what is that? Simple URL handler mapping. I highlighted this point. Now, ID. This is our last example. So this XSD is sufficient. I will use this XSD. So first we create project. How to create project? Just follow me. To click on new and we prepare dynamic project. Right now I'm not using Maven or Gradle. Why? Because first I will give you some video to you guys, then watch it. After that I will preparing. After that I will use Maven or Gradle. So now our second example is Spring MVC. Spring MVC, what is that? Welcome app. Welcome app. Using which simple URL handler. URL handler. Shortcut. And same thing is good. Everything is good. Good. I want to generate the descriptor, deployment descriptor called web.xml file. One by one, I will prepare them. First, I will prepare what is that? Dispatcher servlet file. Oh, no. First, we provide the configuration. Okay, now your example. So first we provide inside the libraries. So last project we use the libraries. So simple copy in this. These many same libraries we use. Okay. Not required to use different libraries. This is the sufficient. Control C, just close it, open this. Where is the link? Paste it. Now the view is completed. And next is this is the web.xml file. Here you can provide fast dispatcher servlet configuration. Okay. And the dispatcher servlet is important. Servlet. Its tag is the servlet. Inside the servlet, first we provide the servlet name. Servlet name is suggest you, not suggesting this. You cannot use servlet hyphen name. Pass the name like dispatcher, and passing the configuration of dispatcher, so class name, dispatcher servlet hyphen class. Class name is org.spring framework dot web dot servlet dot I think so, no? Servlet dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet. Okay, one thing is remember the mandatory thing, load and startup. So now I am asking one question. What is the requirement of, providing load and startup? Tell me, guys. So give your answer in comment box. Okay, I will read it, guys. So now servlet URL. Here one thing is required. What is that? Mapping. URL mapping. Mapping is there. Massy is not. Patches alert is required now, guys. Why it's not giving suggestion to me? Right. Filter mapping, all these things is mapping. Module mapping, no. Servlet mapping. This is required. Servlet mapping. So now pass the servlet URL, servlet name. So servlet name is dispatcher. Servlet name is nothing but what is that? What is that? Logical name. And pass the here URL pattern. URL pattern plus support series. That's it. So now our dispatcher servlet is ready. Okay. So now next thing is required. What is that? Provide the controller classes. Provide the controller classes inside the SRC folder. So create one package. Package name is com dot. Package name is com dot itsp dot controller. That's it. Inside the ITSP, create one package. Sorry, not a class. Create one class. What is that? Like welcome controller. Okay, yeah. Hello controller. That's it. Here is nothing is required. What is that required? Requirement is one class controller class is there. Otherwise, implement controller or otherwise use abstract controller. The super class. So I will use abstract. And next example, I think I used the controller now. No, in this time I will use abstract. Abstract controller is not the why. Abstract controller is not from why. Extending now, guys. So let's okay, not I will implement extend manually. Just extend here. Extend abstract controller. Okay. Now is yes. Unimplement method is required. Just enter implement. That's this method will come. They're not a protected public. Simple. Now here you can provide create a model view object here. This is our controller class. So model is required. Model view object. Okay. Model. What happened? It's slow. Wait. Model. Model and view. Model and view equals to new model and view. Here pass the file name. Which file name we pass to the response, generating to the response. So controller is give name of the file and location of the file. So here give the name of the file. Okay. Happen. model and view. Pass the hello. Suppose hello is our JSP file and passing the message MSG message. What is the message I prepared? Suppose we prepared welcome to, this is the hello part. Hello, hello guys, hello friend. Yeah, first. Hello friend. Hello friend. That's it. You prepare like that. And return, yeah, return simple. Here you can return. What is that? You can return. Here you can return MAD. That's it. Now return to that. Now creating second controller. This one is I want to close it. Okay. Not required this. Oh, this one is I will use. So close this, which is not required. Web.xml file is not required. Just close it. Okay now. Now our welcome controller is, hello controller is ready. Second controller is required. What is that controller name? Simple. Control C, Control V, copy and paste. What is the controller name? Wish controller. Okay. And change the name. It will change automatically. Come into that. Wish controller and abstract class. This one. Here is not a hello. Here is wish. Message is same. Not a wish. This the wish message is this. Okay, let's try. Oh, rename this refactoring. Rename, reframe, rename controller. Na? Welcome controller. Welcome controller. Okay. Provide welcome. Welcome message. Welcome to iTrick study park means free learning. Free learning. And return to the dispatcher servlet. Simple. Try to recollect previous class uh, execution flow. First, dispatcher servlet. I will give this request to the dispatcher servlet, and dispatcher servlet find to handler mapping, and then handler mapping return to that model and view controller classes. Then dispatcher servlet go into the controller classes, and controller classes return to what? Model and view object. That's it. Model and view object. This is the way. This is the execution. I will teach slowly, guys. Don't worry. One by one, I will teach. So now we prepare the JSP pacing. Our work is good. Our work is ready. Oh, so where you prepare JSP files? Inside the web-inf folder. So first is, what is that? Hello.jsp created. So now here, simple do one thing, otherwise remove this thing, it's not required. Okay. So, okay, not an issue, it's okay. So H2, so I want to print a message in center. Center and H2, otherwise H1 is good. H1 color colon like text alignment, I think is done. Oh, okay, not issue. H1 inside the H1 pass a simple. What is that? Dollar sign and passing the MSG message. That's it. Save it. and Control C or V. That's it. Change the name of this file. What is the file name? Welcome. Welcome. Test it. And change the just message. Okay. Here you can change the controller here. You can change this message. This is the welcome message. Na? You can show same, not a issue. Okay. Message. Okay. Message. So now our controller is ready, our view part is ready. One thing is revising. What is this? A Spring configuration file. So where we include the Spring configuration file inside the web hyphen configuration. So file is dot. So XML next is put the name. What is the dispatcher? This is the logical name of the dispatcher sublet, guys. So dispatcher hyphen servlet dot XML. Just so here required XSD. So in previous class, in previous example, we prepared one XSD. XSD is there. Just copy. Now close this. Not required, guys. So now come here, paste it, and simple do one thing. Close the bean. Then first configure your controller classes. So now bean inside the bean. Inside the bean, provide the name. What is the name? Name. Provide the name of that. What is the name? Hello. What is the name? Okay. Hello name and class equals to com dot itsp dot controller. What is that? Controller dot hello controller. That's it. And close it. One more controller is there. So what is the name of this? What is the name of the file? What is the name is welcome. Okay, why I am telling this one, guys? This ID name is should be your view part name, same as if you are changing this name, we will get error, guys. Those who missed last 4 sessions, go and watch. ITSP controller dot welcome controller. That's it. Close it. Now, oh, start our actual implementation. What is that? Simple Win name. Win name equals to what is that? Handler mapping. What is that? Handler mapping. No, I think so. We'll provide something right now for you. Yes, handler mapping. Here we provide handler mapping is not there. This property is not there. By mistake, I provide this. This property is not there. Okay, guys. Why? Because we have one property. We have one property. What is that property name is mapping. So this property is existed inside that. Where? Okay. Now class. That's it. Provide the class. This property, like handler mapping property, exists in the vname URL pattern. Vname URL handler mapping is class there. No, last. No, come here. So here, provide the simple class. Provide the class. If you don't know class name, how to get a class name, just simple and go any controller class. Put the starting name of the class. What is the simple URL? Just URL mapping. You will get the packages. Control X and remove this one. Not required. Remove this one. From your working space, back to your working space in this place. Just paste it. If you want to know about the properties, how many properties are existed in this, so simple, go inside controller. So performing control Z one more time. I want to show you. Simple yes equals to new simple URL mapping. Just what is that? Yes dot. You can see how many properties are there. These many properties are there. So we have only one properties like mapping. We required one property like mapping. If there are not there, you can search like that. You can do your own. One property is that mapping. Okay, you can do like that, guys. Okay, this is the way. So now come here. When property is there, property tag inside the property name is mapping. Property name is what is that mapping, and inside the property mapping, some props is there. Inside the props, prop key equals to passing the welcome dot stm or hello dot stm, passing the properties. Welcome dot stm welcome dot suppose stm is nothing but what is that? It's nothing but just the stm. Pass the value. What is the value? What is the value? Hello or welcome. The welcome. 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 Now next is your otherwise this is the next. First is the hello na. So prop, using one prop p equals to slash hello dot stm and passes the hello. That's it. Now next is very important part is, so our simple URL handle mapping configuration is completed. Now next thing is bean resolver. What is that? Bean name name equals to what is that? View resolver. View resolver. So class equals to, so otherwise not required to just copy and paste, guys. And doing copy and paste is good. Okay, this one. View resolver is some. I am using internal resource view resolver here. Okay. So now provide the this one. Okay. So our program is ready. If we facing any problem, hello. Okay, we facing any problem, we will get any error or exception kind of thing. Then we will run and resolve that. Don't worry. Just try and put the your request hello.stm and welcome.stm, right? Then you will get hello and welcome pages. That's it. This for URL pattern. This is for URL pattern, guys. And this relate to this. So go into this controller. If you welcome, go into this controller. I will give a permutation combination also, guys. Don't worry. All permutation and combination I will show you. First, I will run this program. Localhost. Next, I don't first is remove, second only. Okay. When you start a server doing three things, sorry. Server doing three things. First is deploy all application in a server. And when I will discuss Spring execution flow, then I will discuss all these things. All these things like this. So now hit enter. Let's try. What is that? Hello dot htm. Let's see. What is that error or exception? Let's see. Not any exception. Why this class not found? What is the class? Okay, web dot dispatcher servlet not finding. Why? Let's see. Spelling is mistakes. org dot spring framework. Okay, spring framework. Work dot web dot servlet dot this. Okay, now let's try. When you perform changing in the XML file or JSP files or HTML files are not required to restart your application. Sometimes its requirement is there, like stuck the application, stuck the server. So every time, let's check it out if everything is good. Check it out. Server is started for them. I want to start server, guys. Okay, just try. Name is everything is Spring Framework. Okay, none on server. Okay, next. Finish. Wow. Again giving same value. What is the error? Dispatcher select throw encounter unaccepted condition fulfill thrown the exception servlet init for the servlet. Bean creates an error creating bean name org.spring.web servlet handle error. Mapping definition है once per byte. Setting property value and nested exception of display. Wow. No writable property, invalid property. Oh, mapping property is the invalid. This saying. Na? So, what is the property? Let me. Okay. So, here is mapping. Okay. Mapping invalid property mapping to be now. Okay. We are right to that either guys. Message welcome and dispatches alert. Mappings, I think so. Huh? Mappings. Let's try. Let's try, guys. Look at that error. Just try. Hello dot stl. Okay. Now we will get the output, guys. Now we will get the output. Mappings is there, na? So now, in the second, this is the hello friend. This is the hello message. Then I want to go to the welcome. Welcome.stm. Now, welcome to IT Study Park means feel free learning. So now our program is executing, guys. So now here, one time I want to highlight it this. This one is the required, guys. This one. This for the URL, this for the URL, this for the URL. This one, if you changing the name here like that, if like I will show you. If you change the name, if you try to run, it won't be run. I will show you guys. 1 minute, refresh it and back to that passing hello. What is that? Hello dot stm. Let's see. It means it's running fine. Why? Because not reflecting. It's not reflecting, guys. It's not reflecting. It's not reflecting. It won't be work. It will not work. Hello. Okay. So now welcome is there. This one is there. Okay, I will show you guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will show you. Just rerun the program. If it's run fine, then it's okay. Guys, but my analyzing, with my analyzing, it won't be work. It won't be work, guys. Let's try. Now you can see net servlet fulfill okay. Again in bean property name kind of thing, it's giving error. Getting everyone hello. Hello. Let's see. Hello. The name. No we name hello available. Getting the error, getting the exception now. This is the error. I know that. Hello. So here, v name should be available. Now you can rerun the program. You can happily run the program. Next, finish. Restart the server. Now, pass the request. What is that? Hello dot htm. HTML shortcut of the HTML. Okay. So try to just okay. So our program is running mode. So I want to share with you this program in a notepad. So I have, first of all, I'm sharing with you directory structure of the program. Okay. I want to names. Okay, now it's good. Controller. Okay. This is what setting this. Okay. Now this one is the controller. Let's see is visible on the picture. Now it's happy. Good notation. Okay. This is the abstract controller, hello controller, and second controller is our this one. Package is also is one to say. I hope we got a clarity about this topic, guys. I hope. With the second controller. Now next is this one is the important. This file is the important. This one here. Here to here is the important. I want to control C. Just I will remove XSD, guys. Don't worry. Where is our okay. Now paste it. Not required this. Just close this and setting the value. Okay. This one is the very far back. Yes. I will also write and highlight it some point, guys. So for you will get more clarity. Because I want to bold it. Okay. Now next is many these are same, guys. The base phrase probably bold. Okay. And next page is welcome.xml file. If you want, then I will share it. Control C. And paste it here. Control A bold. Okay. So now is dispatcher servlet is required. This done. This done. Web.xml is done. This one is reminding us. Okay. Mhm. That's it. This one file name should be same now. So I want to differentiate it. So write down name. For that, welcome. Welcome dot JSP. Welcome dot JSP. And here is what is that? Hello dot JSP. Hello dot. Yes. Now guys, I am highlighting some points so we get clarity. Now 100. That's it. Here is the model part. I will discuss I have discussed with this or not required. Here, this is the important part. This one. This is the highlighted point, guys. This one is should match with this your bean name. Should match with your bean names. Bean names. This one. If you want to run your program, access that, then pass the SDM. That's it. This is the props. This one is the important. This one is the important. This one is the bean name URL. Bean URL. This answer person. So today we completed simple URL handle mapping with the example, guys. Okay. And next video or next session we will learn controller class name under mapping and command path map handler mapping. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining.